How much does AJ Bell cost? What are the fees currently for AJ Bell? Well, I'm on the charges and rates page. You can find this at ajbell.co.uk/charges. AJ Bell, of course, very popular investment and trading platform right now, especially in the UK. You might have seen the adverts, especially on the radio. So they've got this little kind of headline figure here. They've got account charges. You will never pay more than 0.25%, as you can see here. So left to right, they've got the account charge. They've got the deal-in charge. Deal online for as little as £1.50. Then they've got their FX charges, their foreign exchange fees. Charges capped on international dealing and foreign currency funds are currently 0.75%. Now this can change over time, so I suggest that you do consult this page from time to time. I'll put the link in the video description. Now they have this charges calculator right here, which is pretty cool. If you click on that, you can then select your account type. Now they have stocks and shares, ISA selected by default here. Maybe you have or want to have an SIPP. They've also got the lifetime ISA, dealing account, the junior ISA if you want to set up a nest egg for your child. Let's just put it on the stocks and shares one for now. No charges to calculate. Seems to have a bit of a bug here. Yeah, so we go back to the stocks and shares ISA. And essentially you can use these dials here to move along the number of, you can enter the number of funds, the value of the funds, the value of shares, and you can get your you can see how everything changes down the bottom. I'm just moving these almost at random, but the point is they do have a pretty good charges calculator right here for all of their different financial products and vehicles right there. Now account charges, if you want to see in detail each of the different accounts, you can click any of these. I'm not going to click on every single one of them, but you can come to this page and you can see what their charges are for the SIPPs, for the pensions, ISAs, etc. If I click this ISA one right here for the stocks and shares ISA, you can see that everything is explained in detail right here. They have the charges calculator again. They have account charges if you have a portfolio of £30,200 as a kind of default assumption right there. There's some frequently asked questions and stuff down here. But yeah, I urge you to check out these fees documents, and of course always check with the risk and security information as far as opening these accounts, and know that your money may be at risk. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.